In this module, we will look at due diligence. The Money Laundering, Terrorist Financing and Transfer of Funds Information on the Payer Regulations 2017, also known as the Money Laundering Regulations 2017 or MLR, apply specifically to solicitors, whether as part of a firm or as sole practitioners. Under the Code of Conduct, you must keep up to date with and follow the law and regulation governing the way you work. You must also maintain your competence to carry out your role and keep your professional knowledge and skills up to date. Therefore, you cannot avoid your obligations or compliance with requirements of money laundering legislation. Relevant business falling within the scope of money laundering regulations include regulated activities per the Regulated Activities Order, acting for a client in any real estate or financial transaction, acting as an insolvency practitioner, provision of tax advice, and performance of financial services. However, it has been confirmed that payments on account of costs to a solicitor or payments on a solicitor's bill, provision of legal advice, conducting litigation or a form of ADR, will drafting, and publicly funded work do not fall within the scope of the MLR.